Are you looking for the best 3D scanning services in Saket, Delhi, NCR? Look no further because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to meet all your scanning needs. With their state-of-the-art technology and expertise, they are the go-to company for all things related to 3D scanning. Whether you need to scan a small object or a large architectural structure, Scon Design India Private Ltd has got you covered. Their team of skilled professionals will ensure that every detail is captured with precision and accuracy. What sets Scon Design India Private Ltd apart from others is their commitment to delivering top-notch quality. They understand the importance of providing their clients with the best possible results, and that is why they invest in the latest scanning equipment and software. Their cutting-edge technology allows them to produce highly detailed and realistic 3D scans that can be used for various purposes, such as product design, virtual reality experiences, and even medical applications. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Private Ltd is known for their efficiency and reliability. They understand that time is of the essence, especially when it comes to commercial projects. That is why they strive to deliver quick turnaround times without compromising on quality. Their team works diligently to ensure that your scans are completed on time, allowing you to stay on schedule and meet your deadlines. Another reason why Scon Design India Private Ltd is the best choice for 3D scanning services in Saket, Delhi, NCR, is their exceptional customer service. From the moment you contact them to the final delivery of your scans, their team will be there to assist you every step of the way. They are always available to answer any questions or address any concerns you may have. Their friendly and knowledgeable staff will make sure that your experience with them is smooth and hassle-free. Are you ready to step into the fascinating world of 3D scanning services? Look no further, because Scon Design India Private Ltd is here to revolutionize the way you perceive scanning technology. Located in Saket, Delhi, NCR, this innovative company is at the forefront of the 3D scanning industry, offering cutting-edge solutions that will leave you in awe. When it comes to 3D scanning services, Scon Design India Private Ltd is a name that stands out from the rest. Their expertise in this field is unmatched, and they are committed to providing their clients with top-notch services that exceed expectations. With their state-of-the-art equipment and highly skilled team, they can capture even the most intricate details with utmost precision. What makes Scon Design India Private Ltd truly exceptional is their ability to cater to a wide range of industries. Whether you're in architecture, engineering, healthcare, fashion, or even entertainment, they have the expertise to meet your specific needs. From creating accurate models for architectural designs to capturing human body measurements for custom clothing, their 3D scanning services are versatile and adaptable.